Hi everyone. Yesterday I noticed something on VIX. Um, Today was gonna be a confirmation, and since today technically exists only 4 years, congratulations, you made it. We'll use this opportunity for something. As you can see, there's a big gap, and these are keep gapping. I'm talking about VIX, which is volatile, so get in, get out, take your profits. But if you notice, we have these spikes, so, and a panic on the 4th. We have March panic, which is beat the 4th, so the weekend is gonna get busy. Confirming that will be probably if we open today above 1380, 1383, 1384, and if we are actually taking the monthly reversal at 650, 1450. We'll see that about that. Yeah, happy trading. The gaps are big on this one.